Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off shuffle play on Spotify. It's super quick and easy, so let's get right into it. First, open your Spotify app on your phone or desktop and find the playlist you want to listen to. I'll go ahead and log into my app and pick a playlist. Now, when you hit play, it usually shuffles the playlist by default. To turn off shuffle, just tap on the song you're playing to bring it up to full screen. At the bottom left corner, you'll see a crossing arrows icon. That's the shuffle button. If it's green, shuffle is on. Simply tap it to turn shuffle off. Now your songs will play in order from the first track down. To the right of the shuffle button, you'll see a circular arrow icon. That's the repeat button. You can tap it to turn repeat on or off as needed. And that's it. If you want to shuffle your playlist again, just tap the crossing arrows button to turn shuffle back on. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.